what's up, guys? We're here to do a single box of 1516 Black Diamond. We have it straight from a fresh case. Let's get this started for you guys. Alright, take box number 1. Good luck. Empty box. Start exquisite. It's gonna be Nikolai. Wow. Nice hit for the Jets. Sick patch. Number to 299. Rookies. Congrats. So our first card for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Our second card, whoa, for the Montreal Canadiens, Patrick Roy, number to 103. Number to 103, retired numbers. Nice hit. And we got Joe Pavelski for the Sharks. Joe Pavelski for the Sharks. For Detroit, got a Diamond Mine Relics, Chris Chelios, number to 50. Relics, number to 50. And our last card is a Jack Eichel Rookie Gems, number to 399. Thank you very much, guys. I have 4 more. I will be posting them later on. Thank you.